So good morning students, we are studying coordination chemistry in coordinate compounds, right? So coordinate compounds are those compounds, those complex compound where a metal atom is surrounded by some ligands. Metal atoms is surrounded by some ligands and by coordinate bond. They are called coordinate compounds. So these coordinate bond indicate that lone pair of electron is shared or donated by these ligands to metal atoms. So in case of coordinate compound, ligands usually donates pair of electron to central metal atoms. For example, suppose that if I have NiS2O6Cl3, this is a coordinate compound in which nickel is our central atom surrounded by 6 molecules of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Surrounded by 6 molecules of water. And here water donates its lone pair to central atom, because what is structure of water? H2O with 2 lone pairs. So water donates its lone pair to nickel atom and bracket close, that is Cl3. So this arrow indicate coordinates bond and number of coordinate bond indicate coordination number. So coordination number is equal to number of coordinate bond made by these ligands in it. So we have 6 ligands, so covalent coordination number is 6. Coordination number is 6, right? And there are 2 types of sphere. This one is called ionic, or okay. There are 2 types of spheres. This is ionization sphere. Ionization sphere means this Cl3 3 chlorine atom is attached with this complex compound through ionic bond. When they dissolve in water, these bond would break. So ionization sphere, this is called ionization sphere, and the central sphere is called coordination sphere. Coordination sphere. So there are 2 types of spheres, coordination sphere and ionization sphere. And so variable 2 valency, here it is primary valency, and this one is called secondary valency, right? Now we have discussed about these linkage. What is linkage? So linkage is what? Linkage means species which form coordinate bond with metal. Species which form coordinate bond with metal are called ligands. Now denticity. So denticity is what? Number of coordination bond. Number of coordination bond made by ligand is known as its denticity. After that we have studied about symmetrical and asymmetrical ligands. Some ligands are symmetrical and some ligands are asymmetrical, like that. So first let's start with symmetrical ligand. symmetrical ligands. Symmetrical ligands means like CS2 NS2 single bond CS2 NS2. So there is similarity or symmetry in structure, that's why they are called. So we can, if we break through this line, then it is symmetrically divided. So it is indicated by En. That is our symmetrical ligand. One more example is COO, negative single bond, COO, right, and OX. Right? So this is also symmetrical ligand. So after symmetrical ligand, one more thing is asymmetrical ligand, asymmetrical or bidentate ligand. So what is asymmetrical or bidentate ligand? Unsymmetrical or bidentate ligands, we can say that. So let us draw some structure like CS2 single bond COO minus and NH2. So this one is called our asymmetrical bidentate ligand, GLY. Structure is not symmetrical, so it is unsymmetrical or asymmetrical ligand. After that we have studied about ambident. So what is ambident and how ambident work? Ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. So monodentate ligand which can form bonds more than one side. जो एक से ज़्यादा तरह से बॉन्ड बना सकते हैं उनको एम्बिडेंट कहते हैं. लाइक CN, we can write C triple bond N with. So this ligand can attach through this side or this side, both side, or anyone. अगर ये लिगेंड कनेक्ट होना चाहेगा सेंट्रल एटम से तो कार्बन के साइड से भी हो सकता है और नाइट्रोजन के साइड से भी हो सकता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ लिगेंड इज कॉल्ड एम्बिडेंट लिगेंड. नेक्स्ट इज आवर NO2. ONO, यहाँ ये N के साइड से भी कनेक्ट हो सकता है और O के साइड से भी कनेक्ट हो सकता है. दिस वन इज साइनाइड एंड इफ इट इज NC then it is isocyanide. So NC or Cl, cyanide or isocyanide. And this one is called cyano and this one is called cyano and this one is called nitro. Cyano. Cyano and nitro are two examples of ambidentate ligands. After ambidentate, we have studied about bridge ligand. What is bridge ligand? Bridge ligand. So ligand which simultaneously connected with two metals, it may be same or different, are called. Suppose that OH connected with PT and Ni. OH is connected with PT and Ni. So it is connected with two metals and these two metals may be similar or different. May be same or differ. It doesn't matter. In both cases it is called bridge ligand. After that bridge ligand chelating ligand. Chelating means chelating ligands. So what is chelating ligands? So chelating means ring forming. Chelating ligands are those ligands which are ring forming ligands like CS2, NS2, single bond CS2 and S2. That is example of a symmetrical ligand. If this symmetrical ligand is attached with a metal, then it forms a complete ring. So this type of ligand is called chelating ligand, and this is called metal chelate. So after chelating ligand or metal chelate, we have discussed about homoleptic and heteroleptic ligands. Homoleptic complexes. What are homolytic complexes? So homolytic complexes are those complexes in which those type of complex compound in which all ligands are same, like previously PTH2O6Cl3. Here we have 6 ligands and all ligands are same. So this one is called homoleptic complex. Right? So after homoleptic complex, here if you draw the structure of PT, all are S2O. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 S2O. So all are same S2O. Ligands are same. So if ligands are same, then it is called homoleptic complexes. Next one is heteroleptic complexes. So heteroleptic complexes. Heteroleptic complexes are those complexes in which ligands are different. Ligands are different. Suppose that PTS2O3Cl3 and here is our bromine. ये भी 3 है, 6 होना चाहिए. इसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 6 हो रहा है. इसके ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट को सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए, इसलिए यहाँ पे 3 आयंस मैंने लिखा है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड हेटेरोलेप्टिक कॉम्प्लेक्सेस. यहाँ पर ये लिगेंड जो होता है वो वेरी कर रहा है, सेम नहीं रह रहा है. पहले वाले में 6 लिगेंड थे और 6 के 6 वो वाटर थे. अभी क्या है, पीटी के साथ 3 तो वाटर है. ठीक है, 3 वाटर है, कहीं से भी लगा दे रहे हैं. 3 वाटर है और Cl है. ठीक है, 3 Cl और 3 वाटर लिगेंड की तरह वर्क कर रहा है. और आयोनिक स्फीयर में हमारे 3 ब्रोमीन है, यानी वो आयोनिक बॉन्ड बनाए हुए थे इस कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड के साथ, ये तीनों. राइट. सो दी कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कितना होगा यहाँ पर, जितने कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बनाएगा उतना कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर होगा. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ कोवेलेंट नंबर ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड. तो जितने कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बन रहे हैं उतना कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर होगा। तो आज के लिए इतना ही रहने देते हैं। अगले वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे नोमेनक्लेचर की, एनायनिक नोमेनक्लेचर, कैटायनिक नोमेनक्लेचर एंड न्यूट्रल एटम nomenclature. So thanks for today.